Oh, we have this concept in Yoruba religion called Ori,
Orí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
your inner head, your
Mm,
spiritual self.
mm,
So I think I was involved in Yoruba religion before I knew what it was, even as a child. Um, but people don't realize that I was practicing Yoruba religion long before I met my husband. So, um, as he would say, essentially, if you want to boil our religion down to a sentence, we would say it's the worship of the ancestors and the worship of nature. And so we've been doing that our whole lives. Um, when I lived in East Africa in 1993 and returned to the United States, I realized how devoid of spiritual essence daily life was there, and also how absent a spiritual foundation was from movements for freedom and liberation and justice. And so that was how I began searching for a spiritual foundation that brought these elements of nature and ancestors and liberation together, and discovered global Africana religious traditions, and was then brought closely to Yoruba and met my husband and became a little bit more well informed.